The first time I was in studio was 2007.
2007.
I was in first grade.
Grade 1.
Exactly.
My mom studio.
Kamuzuma. If Winky D could agree with you, but he know. I don't feel anything. I've never been in this roles like personally, but the Wolitan is smarter than Force JT.
Hey.
So the thing is, we really Maya and down what I mean, they did offend or whatever. Now what we need, my God said,
we are not Madedido fans.
Maya. I'm not even a fan of the sound too, but I'm not wrong to point out.
Even me, bro. That young Gemini Chituzoni, when the son of Boguna Wolitan, no scratch no pair. I'm not teaching us.
If you see, Zimbabweans, you are just jealous. I don't want to talk about politics, affiliations, and whatever. My artists push even my political parties. We're not too long. I'm on internet. The moment political parties are everyone now is bitter on the internet. You are not POS. But those are the same artists.
But you know only going to POS.
No, I'm sad.
That's what I'm saying. How do you know? Because supposed to.
Yeah, it's good mix.
Quickly, both my minutes something in common.
What in common? Dropout. No, it really wasn't that. Chakalinga. To be honest, I think.
Yo, Chibaba, yo, the Zigo TV.
Yes.
Hey. Msikangano ku subscriber, neku share, neku like. Zigo TV. Yo.
Nyara.
Yeah, I don't know what's your I wasn't that's better.
I get doing by the buy.
Don't pay by the Tiangui. Yeah.
Michael McGee.
Yes.
Yeah. Kuzumba kusuma mutumwane zvejinda sha. Pangu inini ndakare. Kundiyedza kuinga shamu. Aye. Gevari nofamba rireka mubundu. Chadzimira chandirova ndopinda vutu. Uja bless no man can curse. Matafura pasha efutu. Upenyu hunomboita rutu. Takamafamba makilomita nefutu. Zvinotoda vakasimbana. Azvibatsire kuisa mumuno. Wangu kula pamakula yo. Certain things in life will make ya ando. Haikona kuchema nenando. Ayuwa. Vale baza. Pulo. That junior.
Pastor, I gonna chema zinandoga. Then I can play a maswa for that.
Bless pull on that tune. A bit wrong, man. I don't know.
Let's go.
Michael McGee. One McGee. Kuzumba kusuma mutumwa nezvejinda sha. Pangu inini ndakare. Kundiyedza kuvinga shamu. Aye. Gevari nofamba rireka mubundu. Chadzimira chandirova ndopinda vutu. Uja bless no man can. Patafura pasha efutu. Upenyu hunomboita rutu. Takamafamba makilomita nefutu. Zvinotoda vakasimbana. Azvibatsire kuisa muromo mumuno. Wangu kula pamakula yo. Certain things in life will make ya ando. Haikona kuchema zvenando. Aiwa mukuruwe. Tingadziverenga tikadzipedza ere namo. Zviri nani tigochegango. Aiwa mukuruwe. Ndisiye ndimbofara pano. Ini ndavinga jakwara pano. Of course ndina kule vakava nevodya. Sawira akazungwa achijamba boda. Veukama vakatidzinga patairoja. adakulinga zvangu nanakodza kwai mwana wabeti hahaitenge mota kana helicopter hahaipfeke Jordan asi ndikazvifunga ndiri pano ndatokanganisa vibe ndipei whisky necola upenyu hunomboita rutu takamafamba makilomita nefutu easy
zvinotoda vakasimba hana hazvitatsire kuisa muromo mumoto
wangukula pamakula aiwa haikona kuchema zvenhando aiwa mukuruwe tingadziverenga tikadzipedza here namo anti demanziring
Ukona ka voice kacho. Ndine white baba. Karubona.
Ni white?
Kakachena.
Kakini baba.
Kamwere.
Ndara msati maenda zvina ndika. Chikondoroerewo hangu verse lepasonga nyama kaita na Chill Master na Pop nyangwira akapela.
Mina tichage song yo. Yo akatimura ma big track acho.
Sankangana.
Inonzi Maruva.
Sankangana.
Mdara vesi
Maone.
Mdara.
Pakafio.
Maone.
I wrote that in 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Abagaipa.
Ask Chilili Master.
Chilili hapa na hapa.
But trust me, Chill Master is one of the best songwriters that has ever emerged this year. I don't even know how. He's good at songwriting. He's good.
And ndakatofara singaiti mkomana boza ngari ku UK zvakakosha umbuku.
Zvakanaka. Chawangoda maruva nemachocolate wakandivondesa kusara ndiri shanga zvimwe waidandisiya muguva ndamusoro chete kundifambisa pakati peusiku chiti warwara ndasvika woti aiwa chikosoro chete hapa ndakadzidza musiyano hachisi chikoro chete asi tsuro haife yapona vaviri nerutsva gena uchanatsorifila nekutsva. We did it over and over again. Why not Jida say you don't care? Power can divuma and do the
Pamati. We did it over and over again. Don't best time we did it over and over again. Then we did it over again.
Blessings.
And I go back to get the power. Over. Kunduza shua.
Chawangoda maruva nemachocolate wakandivondesa kusara ndiri shanga zvimwe vaidandisiya muguva ndamusoro chete kundifambisa pakati peusiku chiti warwara ndosvika woti aiwa chikosoro chete awa ndakadzidza musana hachisi chikoro chete asi tsuro haife yapona kaviri nerutsva gena uchanatsorifila nekutsva Rova rake.
No
blessings eyes. One Megi. Chishuo changu kufama ndrimubvira push to start ndrimubvira ndichiti baby cooler down ndrimubvira imagine dia Benz kana 40 ndichidamuroti easy busy ndakaflexa andidizi nondinetsa kufamba netsa Adam nondabuka zviya president chakonwe konzira ndaclear nevira ndichikwidza mtera right hand pana wiku left ndakabata bia chetizri baba nchita shkiribidi zvekwa Vin Diesel baba mayusa chitira kayepa siniri baba muti
Pulo na chulia bad.
Napula.
Yaman. Chishuo changu wokufama ndrimubvira push to start ndrimubvira ndichiti baby cooler down ndrimubvira imagine dia Benz kana 40 ndichispita muroti easy busy ndakaflexa handidi zvinondinetsa
Pulo.
chishuwo changu kufamba ndirimu push to start ndirimu ndichiti baby cooler down ndirimu emergendia siga kana zagi ndichispida uroti izi bizi ndakaflexa handidi zvinondinetsa kufamba nedza adam nondabuka zviya president chakozvnekozdira ndakliya nevhiravira ndichikwidza mtera right hand pana wiku left ndakabata bhiya chedhiziri baba nchita skiribidi zvekwavin dhiziri baba mayutsi achitira kayipa siniriba imbotikweretesaiwo musi wechipiri baba yemi pull up in a pushback sitting in makoso chero chisina mtero wandipinde nemukoto taimbobvunza dzemawaya zvaingova zviroto nao ndakuda vhiravira ranguwo pakosto arikuya ngarapa arikuya zorova bless man
operations rinotoda loko
mamaneja chanosiya zvine mapini
munoona ngoti pari mwere chitu bana totangopinde rimwe interview yedu
ndapa next
Baby, they might try.
Take
me down. What was in the yippee?
tiri mubviravira oyo
yeah. Andichadamukira paroti zvakutoda power kunge injini yevo ndotonza overload ndinotonza overload saka oluwa pakuda chipower simba pakuda kugara dzatakavaka dzimba zvicheugira shuri pfungwa dzakadzima no handizilud but I need a loot nyangwe mberi kuri tongopinda tut no handizilud but I need a loot nyangwe mberi kuri hood Michael Megi inzwa hapana nguva ndakarinzwa izwi rakabva nechemabvasuva handingazorore zvishuwo zvizere pachipfu hombarume vhima wega igutse nyama yokupuwa ngainaye mari shawa ndoda kutiza geto ndobaya chishawashawa kuwandira pafudhu ndikuda chipower tomboisa pasaidi zvechirombe zvechipower zvechi Respect the man.
Michael makes in the building.
Why you make
This the room, not the building.
This the room. Zvakutoda power kunga 40 engineer ndotonza overload. Ndinotonza overload. Saka oluwa pakuda chipower simba pakuda kugara dzatakavaka dzimba zvekuteukira pfungwa dzakadzima ndizilute no handizilute but I need a loot nyangwe mberi kuri tongopinda tut no handizilute but I need a loot nyangwe mberi kuri hood Michael Megi hapana nguva ndakarinzwa izwi rakabva nechemabvazuva handingazorore zvishuwo zvizere pachipfuva hombaru vhima wega igutse nyama yokupuwa ngainaye mari shawa ndoda kutiza geto ndogara chishawashawa kuwandira pafudhu ndikuda chipower tomboisa pasaidi zvechirombe zvechipower zvechi keep it steady, keep it moving, keep it low. Vachazongona pa 10 pare mawipi 4 kushanda mwedzi wese mawiki 4 mwari ndipe power, give me more.
right
Yeah.
ma 1
Yeah, man.
chibaba
I am a 2.
ma 3
Yes.
3, I'm a 3.
ende zigo
Yes.
ama ndikufara nasi because at least tambo hostawo muno hip hop
Muno wa hip hop.
yeah man
Muri muno hip hop mda.
Yeah, it trying hip hop. Tisu hip hop.
mbunzo mpesi yo
Uzamataura uri tricky but.
Tisu no bonaba rhythm reku chill sports.
varipo
wobva pasong inoita nge yana boishona nana chiu master varipo wobva wazona patrip makafela varipo
but kwakanyowandira
mira wapindure
maavata yangoya maavata ngomirira mapato ese chero zvinakidza vanhu.
Ladies and gentlemen, nhasi tinaye I would want to describe you as a anenge achinzi versatile.
Versatile, diverse odari
koma contemporary artist ndeyapa
aina ndinoziya Megs
Michael Megs. I mean kuti anenge achinzi macontemporary
anonzi various kana machani maziye inanondoziya Megs.
tina Michael Megs. One Meggy.
Yeah, man.
Yes, welcome Dan.
Thank you very much, man. I'm glad.
Producer wedu panapa has been longing to get you.
All right.
Ndichatoti kapa video racho kati ndichaplay ka audio kaka chiti ko Meggy azoda sei ko Meggy
ndiripo nguva izongosvika aiwa ndaizongoya zvangu zvakarongwa
tiri big fan
zvokutodaro ende mudara I know kuti dzimwe nyaya dzenyu dzirimo mastreets manodziziya but isusu first time yedu kuhostai saka utanga kudzinzwawo dzichibvawo from
first end
exactly sa obviously takatangira pabisiku isusu tiri vanhu vanoda hondo katida kutangira pakunetsana but still toona kutangira pakuti anomonza One Meg ndiani amunongosummarize inotona chinhu ndikuziya munongotira kungosummarize kuti kana pachinge paine 1 2 3 o vanogona vakambopotsana nemi vangonobva nemi
One Meg, I think zvotangana pakunzi one. I think I've invested so much time into music that I believe some of the skills I've managed to acquire One Meg. Someone can get close to it, but it's only Megs who understands the chemistry and so One Meg, like you said, you're confused. For the culture, mostly we represent hip hop. But at the end of the music is business. Understand? And so just when I go down, I also go out with the business side. So One Meg India also no. Because I take up in a studio, I want to mirror with my interview. Pana I say it and he can it is
alright.
Saka ndiye Meg ndiyo ani.
Even kana vamsnopinda nawo mustudio vakazongonzwa mumaradio.
They know, trust me, they know. One Meg and ndiega one.
Ndiega no daro.
Ndakatozongoti Meg ndefana kuti one ega. One Meg.
Pamangoma makaberekwa muri Mega.
Ndrindega.
Alright, but music inenge ine kwairi kubhaka munhu wangotange ungonzi One Meg.
Yeah, true.
Zvakabva kupizvo.
I think it's hereditary kandiri. I inherited it from my brother. We were 3 boys then. I'm the last born. Madara. So pakati embro akazosiya. But during that time akasiya. Anga to introduce awazili.
Alright.
So I guess callings nongosiyana. Kwandiri yakazonatso no simba. Because takasongora but I drove a trap fan vaizia. So it really came a long way. I always tell people, the first time I was in studio was 2007.
2007.
I was in first grade.
Grade 1.
Exactly.
My mom's studio.
Kambuzuma. If Winky D could agree with you, but he knows my brother. That's someone in Madzoview from Kambuzuma. A lot of people know him. A lot of people know him. Madzoview. He used to roam among Madzoview. Tell me, Nakala. And a terminator so during that time, I grew up in such an environment. Dance, you can even hear it from my hip hop. There's a lot of dance approach because I grew up in China Blaza Jimba and I wink that time but I don't know the ghetto campus.
Grade 1.
Yeah, grade 1. I was in studio. I've got the proof, I've got the videos.
Pumako.
Yeah. Trust me, grade 1 I was in studio.
Pumako akatudza manamba ndiri grade 1 ininika ndakatoona kuti future idzi mdanzo
wakangoona
pandatanga kutonakirwa pandatanga kutoita zvedzi mdanzo
Yeah, aiona isaita akaita atatoita masini Cubase 3 Cubase 3 titorova
Grade 1.
yeah
patime makawandira kuproduction here mamakanangira pakutorwa magoma
ndasatonzisa
Yobvunza wokuti patime grade 1.
what happened was grade 1 kundizorekoda. I used to go with my brother to the studio ishamwari akainzi Blade yanzi Mafia Empire kambuzomwa kambuzomwa they know this. So what happened was ndangogara mustudio Blaze achirekoda grade 1 pane song yandakanyora inzi Dabuka pane rinonzi World Wide Rhythm
right
pane pakamboputika transformer kumaraini ikaita 3 months
Mix wakatanga kunonyera rini?
I'm telling you.
Aiwa, ndoda tisara kwatanga kunonyera rini?
Star rangu? Rangu star rangu handizi kuma grade 2 grade 1. Bandu kutaura inini to understand. Nah, listen to me. Parfait. To understand the basic structure of a song. Kuti kunotanga nekano kanekane 4 lines kasiri chorus irikechi. By grade 2 I had started to understand that. Trust me. First song yangu ikunyora ini yandokudzanzi Dabuka andizirina kunana style FM na pa FM mama memory kadaka simba but they can dig into it kune mbana in the Spider-Man kwa jiga Blaze yangu ine ndinyorera masong. The first song I wrote it grade 3. Asa grade 3 ndo patanga chasa mapeni
it's a one
mapeni whatever sharp
one meg what iwe andika wakatanga kunyora first song yako we grade 1
Myers first song kurekoda first song yangu
I think about ndobongo
ya bamba bisa makrayon but trust me masina nema facts
as it's possible because tsana DJ what kampana ke South keke
grade 1 ndesa nyora mdara
asikunyora mfungwa nyora
no I had started to understand the structure and stuff first song trust me grade 3 inonzi Dabuka. I really want to know when I kuiwana song nchechaga.
All right.
What do I read him?
So I think this is the best time to imba for this because
I'm not.
Ngoti poka mbijana.
Ina tempo man I think.
No, I don't mean now. Ndaku ibudi size because Dabuka is
yeah. Tikaiwana ngati ibudisi.
It will
ndo piece of ram wakawanda.
Alright, maro ngoma muri kuma grade 1 grade 3. Andi imberi ne upenyu.
So from there production nongoziya primary ngashanza machine kutanga zve FAO chaizvo kupura ma software nchi I think form 3.
All right.
That's when I really started venturing into production. Why?
Muri kutserima.
Ndana boarding school up Msengeza Chegutu. What happened was pese pane back day manje Jamsiri is primary uri pa day ngakudzidzira chikoro chogero but now boarding you've got 1 month uri pa day you would go ipa ma producer ida na Blaze na Blade vangane zvakawanda zvakuita panga pa holiday gona muona ka 2.
All right.
So that's really what started forcing me to what kuda kumbofarisa nezvimishini.
All right.
Grade 3 tamana mana futhi kuzoita sei I mean grade 3
form 3
I was laughing at that.
pane ziso ranga rabuda apa narona nemshedi iwe sadara
God.
But anyway, form 3 form 4 even the people I studied with back Msengezi high school they'll tell you I had already started playing around. The first producer I can record the professional recording akazita nditi ndakuda kurwa ma beats it's Mark D.
Yes,
McDonald chidawayenza akatanga Msengezi if you go and ask him he will tell you kuti Megs nakatanga murekoda rini choir album re Msengezi was a choir, it was music centering on high school Msengezi it was zvema choir album rakaitwa 2015. You can go check it out on internet. It ripo.
All right.
Pane song inonzi Chandobata. Unonzwa vesi rangu randairwa danzo.
All right.
Dai yangati anchiti kumangoma.
All right.
But they will tell you. Msengezi high school 2015. That's when I had started ndaona zvima auto tune nemachi. And I even told Mark D. Trust me, he will tell you. Ngoma izvo zvinonaka ndazvidzidzira one day. From there he inspired me.
All right.
Ukageta zvese ndazo wotochinjirika rasa inongorohwa recording richibaya but Magdi was so professional even up now you know that. So ndakazosvika mustudio medu chiimba zvichinaka baba waiziya he was like the first producer I worked with ndikati iwe togona so from there tinazomira I became obsessed with production zvidaro
ndikuona tanyanya taura about production muri producer.
Yeah. Not even 50%.
A lot of artists have got good things to say about you.
Yeah, I'm a producer who has taught a lot of producers what they do now.
I'm more confident.
Nah,
I'm not even 50%.
I won't even. It's not like I'm even bragging about it. You know how these artists to confess my interview, but one of them is simple so say to it. That's the thing.
But
that's the thing. You know, in Zimbabwe, but they will just say less.
Right.
They won't say all of it.
Tipa production babandika boza vana vazhinji maartisti mazhinji especially kuzimdanzo ukashoma kuti vanyatsonoosimbise producer vanongoti pakutema minde totema tese andikari sangu but kachinge chazoita se
ndati vadai vasati vasvika kuproduction tinenge tatomuningi mamutora nyaya dzechikoro guys then ndakaona mahuber hopo patwitter vanenge vachidhisa danza hamega akaramba chikoro nemudiswa muclass vana remafaila in life ana Mark Zuckerberg nanamwe vakafaila ana Bill Gates
dropout even team reforex dropout azvona
makaramba ere chikoro
chichakaitika
anauramba you can tell by my English and my language.
English is very
Trust
good.
me very much. I was a very smart student. I think I wrote on my paper. I think I was going to post that until my age.
Yes.
So the thing is, growing up, even more I was like academically, I always brought like the best grades. Of which you can, was the African background, how our mothers and fathers are.
So obsessed with
you understand? So I really struggled from high school. Form 4, I really had a dream to study at the School of Music. Because I had a friend of mine, and Carlos, who was telling me, this is where I've been mixing. I was so passionate and I loved music. To the point where even after the pizza for a long holiday, I was like, I'm on the A11 and the School of Music, for college.
Got it.
But so I finished my high school, Form 6, I was by Chief, 100% Luke Jemeza.
Got it.
A-level, tapedza. Then after A-level, my parents were going to for about a year. And I gap year. Because I was like, I pursue music. Tapedza, I was saying, I pass. But in that I was prove out sexually possible. Yeah, so I think that was also one of the years that I to link up with some of the people I still talk to now. Like good example, my producers are Maz. Because
Man's on the beat.
Yeah, and the studio but both of us for a year. Soon after I left, I'm producer I'm upcoming artist and all that. Do was also Ramba because my piece when I was in the same town, you know that. So that's what forced my dad to be like, my what in your pedal? One gore. I want to think studio someone who had gave me to use it because production and that batter man. So my daddy was like, man, don't go. Tawanda njimbo pakat. Ogara no gonna chukuru uzinezeri. That was in my decision. It was a family decision, and you're still living under their roof. So I had to go to Vasit. Pakat, I did first year, I did second year. But by second year, this is what happened. I had like gathered with my numbers to college. Was there Vasit? And I'm video about 200 views, rapping 1,000. Wakudede 1,205 comments in my chi. But already by that time, privilege younger was only 10 it already started following me since about 3 years big. That whole college, it already started following me. So even some of the reels that I go post I would go through them. So second year, there was a time where I started like facing a lot of hardships because I had come like all in into music. I was like, nah, I was now like a producer of an artist. Then one of those times, that's when I got the call from someone like come work and what. I was like close to attachment. That's when I deferred from college, second year. Yeah. So like the first 3 weeks after I had left college, no one knew from home.
Mota left in school.
I think Blas Young Dayang was the like Malona, I remember. My mother started knowing later on after that I would Pabuda Marisa. My song I got it moms. andakabva kuchinoi ndirimo muharare
ndikurova ngoma
ndinaholi tikumboimba
after you defeat makazodzokera
no I didn't defend.
Plan kudzokera.
I'll be very honest why I had defend. Those are the Zimbabweans, like I said, Africans. Trust me, even if I was the smartest in my faculty. They know that. They'll tell you that.
Yeah, you faculty of G.
I was doing ecology, later GIS.
Yeah. I
was doing GIS.
Smartest.
I was like, trust me. Trust me. You end up understanding with time. So it was a very hard decision, even to my mother. Four. Trust me. I was one of those. My students are mark why. Was that my baby? No, very enga kuchikoro nge mapenzi.
Yes, no to say.
Very enga obvo buda makananga na mazazi mapenzi ndi jakafana. Imtata kama akwa.
Yeah, if you must get no intention,
I guess brain. I think now I was just good with geography, never numbers. So even A level, I did statistics and geography. I had an A in stats, I had an A in geography.
For
A level. So even when I went to college, I was so serious. Even when I went to college, but I can't GIS, I was good with it because it's more of geo. So I go, but I'm tombokera, panipadza, panamamoju mangwaizo pisa.
Asikasha common sense.
But just since it was my streams up. Damn, it's just saying that. But anyways, I'm good. Actually, I'm very grateful that I spent those 2 years because, trust me, even after music, I was on a pop. That college life, I'm not college in the Pontanga Film, Wamuruma, Garawagodi. Even when I Pandakas of Abadin, when I'm homes, no Garandega, I'm going to Shawashana, all the time. It wasn't such a challenge to me because I had become used to that. But I don't know my parents.
Free mode.
Yeah. That to Murumi would have to die.
My tomorrow married by Mamuruchko per month.
And the school I'm saying, but the young Equana.
Yagwana.
Rent.
Pamati paone ngoruweka kabozi ndikufunga bana ndiri kufainda tomorrow why. Pa why pa mane 60 rent.
All right, let me tell you what I actually did. Ona zvaitika pandakazo ndakazombeta studio in town yanga siri yangu yanga rimwe face so. Onda isinza na yanzi bishop. So what I did was mari dzaitumira dze rent. Dzichinzi ndikugara ku stream yetu. Ana ndato vine.
Mama gara.
Ndikugara mu studio.
Saka iku mari yange tiri paside ngekanaka.
Man, ndo yatakazotengesa microphone chichi because I didn't have, sorry Anna moms, but I didn't have like the apology. They understand now. I didn't have like the money and stuff to finance my sound card, my mic. So you had to save up. My baby walked on me.
Right.
Ini bana wana mali yasukwa na ndrufa ndakaba nataka chechi.
Mamireso sadara.
Also believer.
Ndambosunga ngambari.
Mwana na great.
Kama zivuka kutaka chechi.
Pamba chipesa. Kozo wana bavazidi. Kona njume na ngambona no believe iska vanhu. Ndikukudza pane team inde zvemanzi. Pane vaitoti follow. Kune vazvitivi Roma vainona mata ma netball pitch vakazara. Kuita ringe team right tiri ZCC rinenge rine nyembe je. Kuita vamwe African tradition vaifamba vanopfeka zvimvera.
Those like Christian bars.
Maya vaipfeka hazodaro. Vaipfeka pana anopfeka zvinemba vanhu akachibvisa anofa. Akaita a weird place. Saka waito believe isa nezvawada. Ndakatombozvigaya scripture inini but
saka imu ndiyo makazopinda nayo kaziko gospel
inini bandari kumusha pa vacation bebe ndasingafunze mombe ka masanza angu ekuvha aitonditumira mari yekuti ndibhandare munhu wemombe kune vanhu vakatotanga makeria avo elad chena nomza
Elad uyu anoimba
elad anoimba gospel time ndakasvika ndiri 1-1 elad anga achipedza uchi 4-1 4-2
achishumira
aimba kuningi ndokwakatangira career yake yemusic vai kada usimudza baba
unosimuka ngozi nongone vanhu vacho mda even masatanists ane vavo vangu vanavo
ipapo
kuti vaifamba inzima kucongo vaisanzwa shona so angotifamba angori magroups varsity inovhura but varsity bo inombovhura brain. That's why I believe that's why I really learned like to hustle. Only talent but zvekuzonadzo kuti panapa
zvekuhadhira kuti
college will teach you something. That's what you know, even up to now internet murume angobata mari ada nyika yese one ane mari. Vanhu vazhinji vapfura nekuvhasiti ukanazodadira nemabhebhe panda mari mukuru. Ndosaka taizoposta dzimwe mota dzedzi mdara unenge ne bitterness mdara. Bhebhe ratonyenga mangwana tiri VIP nemambinga muchongwe waisi
but makatoita mota vanhu vamaitisa navo vasati vapedza nditi
exactly ndasana ndapurutaura point iyoyo ndeyana ndabaya in as much as ndakatombofila kunge ndabaisa defair but at once I told the people that I learned with even my friends with but when amasina amuri kusaisa panoita 6 months makutonditsvaga ndisipo.
Yes,
right.
So I'm grateful kuti in that short space of time I've managed to acquire zvekuti a lot of people used to wish for even vachidza. You understand?
But that mumbe disclaimer. Would you encourage
Africans? If you know it's not into you, don't risk. Go to school, get qualifications, apply for a job. The streets are not safe.
Apply for a job.
The thing is, also do you know why I'm also saying that chikoro chimbojegra nacho when you feel like what you need. There was a time where I knew that I don't know what you need. You should back up, plan B. Because trust me, I've seen a lot of people who are talented fail. The thing with succeeding in a talent on a craft on a passion, it really comes with anointing. If you are not anointed,
many were called and few were chosen.
I think people just need to really put like all their
but nechikoro chacho katariswa mastatistics acho anditi zvafanira kuti ndaita accounting memory 100 unonzwa wakati muri 100 ka wadatsirasa wanaona basa chiro chairo rinoenda kuinvestin yangu manenge ari 5.
Most of the people manamsondozi makasi you know they are graduates, you know that it's really a pity, but I'm not discouraging people to go to school. You need to go to school. You need that. You never know what's audio. But
I think angupa nyaya dzedzana vanoenda kuchikoro nekuti sesenga varamba vachienda kuchikoro sekuti ndo makuriro atakangoitwa atofana kunge tichiita ndika asi usangoti iwewe inini wandoshora panhu akaenda kuchikoro vanhu vanatoti ndakangomirira basa rangu. At least kana uina degree rako traiwo zvimwe zvinhu because you never know kuti
also I think usanyanye kubva wazvinyorera bhuku uchifunga kuti ndo zvanonanga because maticha anonyepa itakadziswa nematicha angasina mota nematicha ainhwa mogo you understand munhu achikudza kuti mastate vanhu vanoita states maprofessional state vanhu vane mari
chichiana nyaya yekuti vanonhwa mogo
ndisiyei
ubofunga vili
umvano akadzidza marengo wangu vamwe vanhu takakura navo vari mahead boy kumahigh school mundarani kuchichi vachidzidza. These are now people kuti zvichiona wacho ndo vakutengesa madrugs ndo vakudhakwa ndo vaku. That's one thing I also feared about school. It gave vanhu vanogona chikoro so much hope yekuti maladha okurova uchipedza pane mari then they failed. Trust me, among my drugs are kurova ma streets it's really from that depression.
Hope defeat makes
where you invest so much time and focus into the education, you get the qualifications, but they're just there in your wardrobe.
And I think people, they should also really understand with school now, it's no longer a system there to empower a student.
It's no longer a compulsory source of income.
Izvezvi chikoro chato business chevano varikutoitawo mari because inini I don't see kuti ndapedza futi kuita degree rangu reaccounting ndobva ndanzi ndiite professional course ndapedza professional course ya ndanzi ndiite chimoni ndapedza noti when am I going to be enough to get a
inini nditone mafriends angu kuti agona ngaita degree remates wese anaro umune kuita segoma zoro manzi handite rimwe ndakurova
Repeta mates.
Even when I was pandaita JS
uita segu
panda JS yangu you'd figure out mwe musi lecturer aisauya unzaenda kupichichi
I know chikoro. Ane exam.
angari ma agents so what they had to do kuti mari batike vagara vari qualified vakononzwa wanzi nhasi amboenda kuema aneka dhiri kaari kungovarovera kuti you understand you see
But in Badagapera power lecture on Badaga, I don't know my exam. I don't know.
a masters for what this is not
Anyway, got it okay. Go music. Michael Mix. No, that guy to my podcast. No, nakafunda. Tombo donza pungwa zedu.
That's true. Hata wakafunda wewe.
nekudonza
That's okay, graduate.
Nini?
maangofanana in fact imi makangofanana ndisina tobve nazokuenda
Because we have nothing to show.
Also, chimwe chinoona chi. Guys, just live your life. That's the truth. And I believe my templates edu atakapiwa na Mwari akasiyana.
yeah man
Kuna ntoimbo I drop out of school to get money. Kuna nembo same draw and gown. It's always, you understand. You are man. You understand what I'm trying to say. It's never the same for everyone.
Skema bakulinga na Olite ni kama linka quickly both mamine something in common.
What in common?
icho chike
Drop out? No, it really wasn't that. Takalinga. To be honest, I think.
From school dropout.
No. I think
akafonderana
no. I'll tell you this. Just like kune knows on the personal life. I think if you wouldn't want the internet to be all over it or daughter, but it's not that people just need to learn to live their lives because siana. I voluntarily dropped out for a reason, and I know it's a better one. EA is good. My reasons I got it different. I can't be out here disclosing, people's personal issues and stuff. But people can rape. What you thought it would drop out and stuff, but was not drop out because it's cool. Hip hop is cool when you're saying I dropped out and I made money and fortune. It's really cool, but you understand. But Ginger was not drop out. Pani my reasons. That's what I'm saying. So see,
alright but pane paakazokupinzira phone call but uya
yeah.
uchitobva uchikora ndika obviously uchitobva uchikora uchitouya kuno kwandika but obviously makatomboitaura kanyaya yekuti achibaba unenge apa napa samanyanga sound ndoirapa maspika ndowaro sezviripo iwotaura nyaya yechikoro akatidzokere kuchikoro iri mudhara kati angondita
Oliten, I will say this truthfully, he has never encouraged me to drop out or do anything. This is what happened. I knew Oliten way before Ndaremero. Way before Ndaremero. Takambotaura soon after I think Cyprus. I linked him through a mutual friend. And the Fresh Kruger. Akadziwa Cyprus.
Alright.
Akata wana chimex ndiona udoro ma weeks pane mwe mpana akabva kuno ari kuzimika kandai. That's how I became to know him. And I always say this story tikatombotaura tikadi even yenda akatozomba remind arodiba. Ne team rake na Philip whatever akamonzi $20 feature kudara. $20 but akatoramba ubuda feature rikadaro.
Alright.
Dara samari yakawanda. Why is it so takatanga follow na kudara way before everything. Understand?
Right.
Yeah, but I was a person to life young, but he blew up earlier than me. Then I also blow up later on. He knew me already. But it did even during the time I got on Deza, I wasn't the only one. I did people during that time. BNB. There was young Gemini. Blink forward to tag wife on it, right? You know, he's all about that. I'll give him the credit. He's all about searching new talent and just trying to link up with.
Got it.
And see if there are genuine reasons for that, whatever, man. But yeah.
Could you say that was the turning point of your musical career?
That was December. I wouldn't say. I wasn't sure yet. It was around time Yakabuda Marisa. It was around time. Pakaso was at the turning point yangu. Pakaso ndizodi. Let me tell you a funny story. Musona ka defer choro. We had a show in Shishavani. Pressure yanga dobuda yakupisa. We had a show in Shishavani. That I'm an exam Thursday. So when I checked up, I'm like, early. And I will moti show. Ini ndobda yanga mota nana kidi. Don't you know? Don't barabadza za marangu 3 hours but hour now 13 ndenda pedza. To buda today. Na push one wakoma na bati muroti mtaingo dhala waizi tine ma whisky. taidala waiziya anongoziya celebrity life ya tichirova majemasoni vandasvika pachikoro so anoziva kuchikoro inotaura mavhasiti ekunzi ukasvika zama ratanga 30 minutes later hauchapinde inde ndakatosvika yato 35 but funny enough lucky enough ndandakuzikana manje fresh yarira anzani munhu angari mvigileta indiketa max umanza majokes ndasvika pado utazi chipinda aiziya pakunotora peni kumota ndakati mwari mwari izvi zvazvo zvangu mukutoratidza mwari kuti mbomira
muri kutotaura neni mwari
ndakati mandadzoka ndikati mukuru wangu indivigileta ndikudzoka ndimboback show. That was my last time showing my face pakat, I think. Rather than coming back to my show stuff. But that was my last time. That was how I did.
So team makazoza mtichiti. Do you keep it as a secret or?
Nakatodza woli wangu atabuka akafara.
Afara kuti vazokusiyana zvo.
So I don't remember something in common.
Akafara pana wangu takusha masina. Tine pfungwa dzikuenderana.
Afara kuti zvichikoro izvo hayo.
Akati mwana wangu ndaisakwanisa kukumbira. But ndaizvida izvi kuti tipushe masina every day. Ndakati bongo mangu ndauya.
Skapa mnoterera song yavoti yayonzi and I don't blame Mode. I doubt pamafungire because Mode akatiza kuchikoro. How do you feel?
I don't feel anything. Do you know why? I mean, no one wakatsamwa. I don't feel anything. I've never been in this roles like personally. But the Wolitan is smarter than than Force JT.
Hey. That doesn't say equipment.
No.
Check on that DJ.
Now, look, this is the thing. But not smart. People really know how they feed off of other people's energy and whatever. Even in Suzu I'm not saying they're friends, but the thing is, I've been with Wally for a whole year. Those years are the way he's smarter. He's smarter.
But
Kuenda kuchikoro doesn't even mean you're smarter than someone else.
But
it doesn't prove anything. People are smart out there.
Father Abraham.
People are smart out there. Holy is smart. He is very smart.
Right, ndezvipi zvokamanyatsoona zvinokwanisa kusheyawo kuti ano Wally ari smart pakuti.
That G is in numbers guru baba. But you can never do numbers more than only change your mind. He has mastered that craft. The numbers are the ones that reflect the finances. If you don't have numbers, you don't have the finances. He's doing the large numbers.
Correct.
Who doesn't follow Olite anymore?
No one.
So yeah. Why is here? I think also with me, I think that's the good thing about me. I don't sugarcoat. I think people I think that's really the mutual reason. We were just two people who don't sugarcoat. Even he knows. The reason why I managed to work with him throughout the whole year. I was there. If you ask him one of the reasons, he will tell you Michael Mix was just an open person. I would always say what I feel. You understand? Yeah, even with him, you know that. You would even risk his social media numbers out of honest.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think that's one of the reasons.
But it's the anzi vakomana takavaudza kuti mungunhu wamogo hatikwanise kuchila nemi.
Michael Mix. So now makufamba muri musamanyanga sounds projects which we can either fully credit you or partially credit you. Ekuti kana ndakutarisawo cataloguwo ndakutaura nevarungu vekukochera ndinenge ndichiti ndo mabasa akaitwa aya muchiri kusamanyanga.
I think Esek Panandrigo.
Right. Imimi muchiya kusamanyanga sound dhira makaita imi ngati kuti Megs akauya ananga chitei.
Ndosandikusachi mkomo wangu. Tumaditwacho. There was even boys bambas nakana to my agreements I'm not to sign. The other artists signed. They know that. Candy signed, Shiba signed. Who else? When I sign, I didn't.
Why?
Makapiwa beba madam slow sign ngana tam no piwa chekusign.
Maya, tapiwa chekusign. But that's the thing. The sanda goes and got chino chakasona zonponi sod. Go repeat zvakanaka was I couldn't sugarcoat. The thing is, whenever you tap on the internet, the thing is, when you're in a different space, whenever 200 and you're trying to get 200,000 people to listen to you, you are desperate. I've seen a lot of people fall because of desperation. $50. You understand? In those my first days maybe they gonna know so Budapachena. You understand? That's really what those are safe. I couldn't sugarcoat. So I think that's one thing that really strengthened the whole relationship with the stable and all that. I didn't sign.
All right.
What happened was Thai Coco, I think about a month or two later, Panetuma conflict started, and everyone left. Candy left, Shiba left, everyone left. I even went. I left. Understand? But I think work ethic. The thing is, when I even in being I will put most of the money and most of the effort into one to you understand? I'm not saying I'm special or I was the best, whatever, but the way I worked with him, the way and there's when I would really see the difference. But you understand? So I would really understand. And I saw his worth. I had mad respect for him, even up to now. Understand? And one thing I liked, he started showing the respect mutually than the first days. Because you'd really feel like you're under someone. But it was kind of different. You know, it's now mutual. Because I think my first projects, even the Book of Malachi, I was one of like the people. My controversy. I was like one of the people who were there, like with him, peace. And then I think the best solutions there. So from there, even the production, like no one not. So I make that beats, and that major Steez song we did. God is not only I made the beat. Like I said, I can't get it. So I think time and I think trash show much, but then it started really like to know because I'm an you have to be very careful. So I think that's what he was doing. He was careful with everyone. He wanted to not until we really came sure that makes even
all right. Uwe samanyanga sound why produce of the music
Nishitanga isa bandazotanga later on. Like so after Book of Malachi album.
But so
Book of Malachi and Sirindang got one beat.
So I produce at the end.
I don't say go produce. I couldn't produce. If you listen to most of the music before Bunga Boys, some of the beats and most of them were downloads.
Yeah, my download.
Atengwa on lease and all that because you can buy a beat on BeatStars. Olden is very good with BeatStars. He talks to producers, he pays them, whatever. So you'd buy beats, even for Book of Malachi. But you know, I almost go to Zungu, and that's kind of artist, but I wasn't really Zungu, But that's what I'm saying. But later on with time, so that them studio they started noticing, whoa.
Right. Kumpana wakananzi
Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is more vocal engineer.
All right.
Yeah. Beat and not so zero the most is Delilah.
All right.
But also, I don't sugarcoat like I said. It on YouTube the beat it failed to monetize. I'm very familiar with that because I think Pampa among my limits and downloads and all. But with me, and I read and I know much. So there were no copyrights or whatever. That's why I'm not Bundu Boys. I'm gonna pin that you wanna sleep. There wasn't any downloaded beat in Bundu Boys. That was from sketch.
Was ona chim ndikuyangana nikudhara ndika akunzi Zimbabwe jeti Zimbabwe andika anogara kumarani kwangu ndikuyoka ini madezanga nestudio ka ndaitomboona itombo yapadeni pangu na Holly vachitomboita mustudio vachitomboita maworks avo but madezi achiwa ine ngoti apfanira kungoita uchi yavari kuita plus ini ndandisi munhu weipo vandi mune mangoma stere so vaya kustudio chingoita yavari kuita
but it would be more for recording because I did not beat
anotova kamabhizi but ndaiona studio kwangu akuisa
zvekunatsonzwa everyday muchirira mainstruments achibiwa achiti it was tangira after Book of Malachi takutanga unatsorova productions.
Then biggest is yenyu muri kuningira iri I think ndakanzwa izwi.
It was pressure. Pressure was bigger.
Pressure.
Talking of numbers, pressure was bigger.
Talking of
street creds. Yes. Street credit. We should about piece because it was a new chant.
Yes.
Everyone would say it. Understand? Yeah. Numbers wise, pressure. But it's a good simbis fana uvra hombe. Plus kanda mari tichimba song you understand?
Arikarizoshika
chipisa yanga netumwe tuma history.
Song did you create it from scratch or it was a secondary production?
This is what happened. I had songs in my PC that I had done because that was my dumped project. Same with Holly. Dumped project. So Bundu Boys was just that. Taking old projects, right? And if you don't get bring them, we start them from sketch. Same with Tujaramboch Pisa. It was this reggae. So he would play. So when I came across it, Holy song him a one. Because even Babada Bundu Boys, I still remember I vouched for 2. He used to think 2 was gonna be the hit for Bundu Boys, but I knew Tujaramboch Pisa. Because in the sonically it's different. No one is going to expect this. It's a reggae. No one is going to expect this from us. This is the hit. And I guess it really worked out. But that was his song. Like I vouched for that one. I vouched. I'll tell you one thing. Like Wally is good with working with people, but if you see, he's more familiar with working with Papana. More than established artists. Because the problem with established artists kune ganzo munhu kana mupresenter china asikunzwisa wethi yari kumudza vari ngogaira internet tichakompewa tichazo so some of those features ndinegona zona kuti asendaipai but ukona kuti chipine muropa mevanhu paringoda nhingi so even pangasa daro I approached Ndunge pauchiramba chipisa. I personally vouched for Pop Tang.
And in Ndunge baby that was a very odd pick.
Everyone did expect it, even with Pop Tang. Do you mind? Tell me more. I chose that one. So it was just that whole album was just a 50-50 input.
Anonza pakapinda ndongabvunza Pop Tang akapinda papi. Akapinda papi. It's real.
Ndo akapinda papi izini kuti akadaidzwo papi pakuti aite
takamudedza song yatopera angosvika trust me that's the crazy thing about my hit songs. Akapinda
apanzwa vakapinda pekuti and then perhaps with a fallout. What was the parting reason?
The reason? I think for everything you need to any artists career market, you need to write my reasons and my objectives every step you're on it. I think I've said it in all life. The other thing why one wakakunza ubva sounds vakabva before it was when I just shika chekutanga charo kunida chitango chiti ndapinda. Everyone wants the fame. After the fame, everyone wants the money.
All right.
You understand? So paitika sakaitika. I started the space. You know, like I'm telling you, I was very careful and very smart, even on everything. They got, you know what? See, just in this 30 years, we were just kids doing whatever we're doing. Young men, 25, 24, 23, 22. You understand? You know what, God? Since so after Fallout Tanga, I have to tell myself, this is what I came here for. Rishita, it's enough. All right. And it was about the numbers. I knew that's what I could really get from him. Because trust me, everyone who has tried to gain from wholly financially and it does but it doesn't really end straight. You understand? So I'd really convince myself it's not gonna be about the money. You need to create a name out there. You need to create good music. You need to show people out there, even when they act like they don't see you. There was a time even when song at about bloggers where they would even post a stage performance. They just write origin performing, about you never see anyone tagging you. Yeah. So it was really a year and a phase. I really had to humble myself and squash all the pride and all the bitterness and whatever would happen. Even when I was on the post, I know what I'm gunning for. I know what I'm gunning for. Muswan cheto ut twangu. Changu to am komangu. And danang is a day. Dakumbo die.
All right.
You understand? So yeah, I think even Yapis Agujono entrusted me with it. Because one of my reasons, even I became so close to him that but I can't be telling everyone, you know.
But
you can't be doing shows and not get money.
Mama any contract
That's the thing. It was really never that professionals are not guys. That's the thing about even success. Trust me, that year was just a music creation year.
Right.
Where we just had to manifest the talents, tripatiri. And I told myself, even I even reached a point where even people would humiliate you. Because you know how it is. Where people see one too, I would have to what Tim would done that too. But so pull a bag and so that's why I'm telling you, I had to be very careful and very observant and very patient. Right. I was like, nah, cool. You understand?
Right. Now insults. Right. Poka piwa mari yakawana na ulitina kupa mari.
I'm very sorry. I can't say that and I will never say
that. What I wind daro. Boss, pane statement akazonzoitwa na wall. After wabuda, baba sobuda matone Mota chichichi ndika. Wall tinakati but mimi mokuti tashanda nguwa ese abva abuda mukomana ndika ngwadikidikane Mota. Atenga Mota. Zvati mari azoiwana ngwadikidiki abude kati munhu angagara chitongotora mari. But maybe because
that's what I was telling you, Pepe. I was very patient and very observant to the point where I said, all right, kana pasuru buda mari. Dombo not kubuda chetu kwenda kupi. And there's no famba say. And there was an interview and one of the things you was one wanted to marry in the music because they don't even know how to sell the music.
Right.
He's one of the people who taught me that. Okay, if someone can give you $500 off of music, how can you get the $500? Where go you? You understand? That's what I'm saying. I was very observant and very. So I ended up creating my own ways of acquiring finances. Even he knew.
Right.
He knew. Michael Max is not broke. He's good. Because I like I'm saying. The other thing is you also have to study my trends. Remember, Tapi in the I knew Saint Flow was once there.
Paint Flow.
No, Saint Flow. That's my brother, man. Come on, don't do that inside. The thing is, I had to study. What I said, no, let me talk to Anangaripo. What went down with it? So I started studying my ground. I started even studying what I sent to Abba. What happened? This. I didn't want to do one day. That's why I'm saying I had to be patient. I had to study.
All right.
Now I have to teach myself how to do that. Because so I have to be smart now. So until it balanced. But I can't be out here disclosing you know how the internet is. You're marrying me or not, you know, you understand?
Both one ngoti we ufunga ti wo ndini me budget million over
that's the thing.
Ofunga kuti maybe
Boys, patakasenza, boys.
waisapiwa mari iwe waitopiwa mari yakanaka.
People don't even know this. Gorese rakapera, we didn't even have a manager. No one knows that. That's why I'm saying, if it's chosen once, nguva yememurira murira. Now all itakarira tikaita boys baipisa but we didn't even. I knew every dollar kuya. I knew every dollar kumekuwa kuenda. That's why I'm saying, even pampacho when people were bitter, hey, mari inini nezulu ndane naye. Tidi kugana ku UK ndikuziya kuti mari yabuda yakakwana so yakuzoshanda yakadai so. You understand? I always say that. Kuti pamwe pacho pane pawaitofila sure kuti pamwe pacho bega mabende yakawanda utomona ngai ndazotinyiwa. But that's what I'm saying, good. I had to tell myself and ndauvinga mari. Ndakauya kuno kundisina mari. Aura handisikupiwa mari yacho but kuno kunei rikanditora chiri kunoko ndotry kuchishandisa kugadzira mari. That's what I did. Do you know how many artists in Zimbabwe right now who don't even have monetized YouTube accounts?
I know a lot of them.
Do you know that? After Samanyanga Sounds, I met more than 10. My artists are the mainstream. I want to tell you. We want to for a phone. We talk about they don't even understand that. They've got these guys who are not as their distributors. They don't even understand the movement of their liquid money. You understand? You understand? Other manage our artists. And still try my artists and there's no controversy on another. What good and nice and nasty artists are getting change. What should she do? Patching the album. Album was Kabuya. I didn't see it anyway. I had called the manager. Come on, go to see. Nakapiwa response I won't lie to you and but I was disappointed. If people are talking about you this much, you've released a project already big, everyone knows you've released it. But that you are really selling the product digitally, then guys, you understand? So you're going to trust me. If you don't have someone who would teach you digital marketing and music, you will fall digitally. No, I'm beating street, but I'm PC. Wasn't the Marango even oh, 1 million views. Doesn't look good. I really had this. I could everything chiquitika. Chuku and Maria.
But Meg 1 million views in Imari. Boys were not watching Nepal and I'm a street room. What you Zaran Marzi, Chikisa, Negra say, Chungo estimate to Satu Nakambo, Nagakambo, around Maria.
Like I told you, I'm smart. My YouTube streams or any streams, I want the money off of the views. Could I 1 million views? If I release a song, Nas, you get 1 million views in 1 week. You release a song, Nas, you get 1 million views in 2 years. Right? You understand? Because the time you've taken so much to grow a trend, so it's not just about the views. It's about the views, the period. Also the movement, the audience. You understand? Screen time, JJ. The video that by YouTube about they got 10 seconds, more or 20 seconds. My sense about that's the thing. That's why you see my artists not achieve muka Pese controversy they release because they know to fight a controversy. A song is likely to go 100,000 views in 1 day, 1 million views in 2 weeks. It's possible. So people are now getting familiar with it now. Exactly. People are now doing all sorts of stuff. Kutiva ede value pachino. Chitema streams.
Alright. Aba tada kupa pane ya wallet tipurembere ne openyo. I noticed kuti mchango pa kuna na wallet.
Yeah.
You were so vile.
Yeah.
And now it seems like you are
Yeah. Pachila.
What explains that change in
this is what happens. Like I told you, every template for every artist is different. He's got his own character. Yeah, and whatever. That's what you're not even after that. But Panguve, it was necessary. Even Laba, because as an artist, there's a time where you really need to defend yourself, where you have to prove. When people are very much provoking you, you need to prove. Why is it? I had to prove myself. I think I've just reached a point where I always tell my guys, I broke the cycle. I had to break the cycle. I'm not a violent person. I'm not all about negging and being all about other people. Like I told you, I've invested so much time into music that I'd reach a point where I tell myself, nah, I need to really sit down and show people this is not the branding that I've always told myself when I music that I want to go. If Wolitan did it, yakanzira zvikasenza kana na vibes nana muvhadho akamborwana maomba zvikasenza whatever kwazvakasenzera, it's different for every artist. You understand? So I think even my views, I still see people even on the internet, they'll go on over stream a song, holy around my numbers. I release a song, people come, shadiness in the comment section, people are doing all this. Guys, you're talking to a person who, this is 2024. 2022, I could barely make 200 views. This is 2 years later. I can make 100,000 views easily. You understand? It's an achievement for me. I'm not trying to be Holiday. I'm trying to be Michael Megs. Kana ndichabudza hit match, ndichabudza hit match. Kana mwachabudza June, don't chila number. That's it. I'm now Michael Megs. I'm no longer affiliating with Jesus and whatever. So that's the thing.
All right.
People but the thing is now I'm just being me. I've made a lot of people in the space ADHD, mind industry, music and stuff. We've been like, Max, don't you do it? Because that's the thing. I've been with Holly for a year. And we were so close that even people started anticipating. Even after some young sounds, even saying that 2 card pain flow this, people are just relating stuff. You understand? You end up having people to judge you, but when they meet you later on, understand? So I believe it's not like I'm just being myself.
Alright, kotiri papa ndakambozo ya young Gemini achiti zvoni munhu esandobva kuna Holy 10 anosvika achinopera munoti chiona zvo.
If you see that's what I'm saying. If you're an artist and you come from a certain space, if you think or you kill yourself. That's why you even see it once Burna Boy plane ticket and they shoot a video. They never saw it coming. He was gonna be one of probably the biggest artists in 10 years. What happens is music is a talent, is a gift. The moment you mix it with my emotions are serious, my worry, trust me, it can really affect you. Young Gemini, I always say one thing about I'll keep on saying this. One thing I like about her, even when it's not there on that interview, I didn't reply. One thing I like about her is she's passionate about the music. I've never met any female artist in Zimbabwe who loves music the way Young Gemini does.
All right.
But I just think, age-wise, I think in a space, she just needs a group of people who really work with her. You really need those people. You don't have to carry bitterness around everywhere.
Right.
Because when a time you feel like there will always come a time as an artist where you understand? There'll come a time. Imagine. You understand? Imagine imagine on every show I end up O2 Arena. I once did a song with AKA. I told him. You understand? It's so unnecessary. You can carry certain bitterness.
Actually, South Africans know how to do it.
Exactly.
AKA made him.
That's why also the thing. That's why you end up noticing that theatrics for music. I don't hate her, Young Gemini. I follow her. I'm subscribed to her channel. I don't like her because under music. But one thing I won't lie to her is she's bitter. She needs to just
go down
and put the talent more forward. Because she's got people around there who are telling Washika boss at Washika. Yeah, Washika. That's why you see every time, I don't know, trend is like a drama or more than the music. People are really liking it. Go to TikTok. No, not to say.
I didn't hear them scanner pizza.
But the thing is, I feel like, the passion I get for music and the time she invests into music, Young Gemini, Netime ndoziya nesa music. Boys
unenge waweka make
chikaenda nepachaipo chaipo panopisa. She just needs
To go down.
to be all about herself more than the people.
Ini ndakaona ngapa young Gemini kutika anowanza chat.
No,
Lepe.
man, that's what I'm saying. Chatty over from bitterness. That's not that I cannot disclose. That's all about the tower. I cannot disclose my personal realities. But I cannot be like that.
waitange manager wambida akati ndingoenda akashaya nechirureka which I cannot disclose
Over disclose.
but angatifauta.
I'm saying this.
But ini ngona chi ini ndikupanda kuti ndoda kusupportana neyo kuti young Gemini ari bitter ka and anoda healing is serious because what zigo
You can imagine. Sorry, so ndakutanga ndukata. You can imagine this month she's all over internet. Akutuga woli. 2 months later, you do an album. The biggest feature from the album is the Holy 10 song. It's so embarrassing. Imagine now the Holy 10 fans, what they'll be thinking. Sakakaiti. You understand? Even it's not every truth that deserves to be said. You just push your name out there, you just push your talent. People will see you.
ndonyanga ndikata nachitizvoni ukatasa nyaya yake na pop 10 unoyatsona kuti kamsikana kari bitter and because zvakaitika
he did nothing wrong.
Holy 10 akangoti I for Gemini
not pop 10
I mean akangomuintroduce zvazvazvikuamba udzokera
yanda Holy 10
ainini Holy 10 ndonakirwa nacho but ndinyanyanakirwa naye especially achitaura nyaya dzake zvanenge achitaura mainterview ake anonakidza pakudai music yake. Saka ukatasa paipa ndike zigo kuti asikuda ini ndofarira Holy 10 achitaura mainterview yake even music
itanodid yangu vote inodid I think ndo vanondosvanza
uona paipa pasina nyaya but musikana akabva aiwa ndintroduce zvikudaro zvichiko akasangana natembo manenge achiti are you ready for you aizia
exactly
asangana na tembo manda asangana na Etherton Bean ana Merciless vanodzokorodza kuti are you ready for Jay? The queen is here, everyone is saying uona anto amota ndasi saka pambacho ndakazvona kuti amusikana apa pana nyaya but
ingoni nyaya yandakudziya misguidance especially kwedu kuhip hop. The thing is people even uchiri upcoming unezvanongo admire boys here people see Holy dissing votes wanapa people see make zarira adizasei ndiona kwakudai yasvika point yekuti even on the internet people are just inheriting my character avasina in real life. After I tell you this, after whatever zvavakaita vataura naye Gemini vari kuinterview wake nana Nyams ndakazongosangana naye on a regular day kwaDaud kwatinoshootira mavideo ndangosvika ndapaka later on I think 4 days later pane shamwari yake anga pakanzi kuti hanzi pakatozonzi Megs auye people were feeling some type of way. I didn't come to attack you and ndasatomba kubvunza or anything, but now you see you're portraying a character background. Now here you are wakusangana nano, you understand? Why put yourself through all that just for the numbers and whatever? Even for the pop 10 issue that was unnecessary. For hype, wow, guys, I've listened to pop 10 I can never disrespect someone like that. I need to learn a few things from him.
Especially like pop 10 now.
Do you know how many times even Holy 10 per stage would go and say, hello. You understand? You understand? Chino yese chikuziya kwandakadzidza ini. But imagine if swesizvi takada kubva taita ofunga tinini vanhu vati just say bo kumashoko nana vakadhakwa excitement unongati bro.
But when Gemini mama makambodai I still remember pane dzaSir video randakaona mina nevapana yeku inonzi chi OCD ndakaona paraiplayiwa like vakatomira nayangemini
it was a show yeku Skimbait Bedbridge. It was around the time he took controversy. So video, young Gemini was part of that. Listening session. So that's how she came about Buddha video. Understand? But from there, I think Pakanatotanga issue was when, like I never did, I didn't sugarcoat. Ndoza munhu kana chino funga pamwe ndikurwadziwa, but I'm really saying it genuinely. There was a time when I was like, umaona kuti people really connect with you when you sing. Twako tokuimba chitongo kurwadziswa wakaita sesi. And when you rap, people are complaining you have the holy 10 flow, but in a voice kadiki. You understand?
All right.
Because when I met her in Kusamanyanga Sounds, she was really like in English rappers like that. I ain't gonna have it. So I think it's really cool. Inspiration you. My inspiration to waka pika. Where people ended up wakunzot. You're not gonna do well, you understand? So Pashka point younger I think Zaka Buddha out from Kwandini. You know what? Manaka penga, but I think it's one stop trying to flow like that. You know, I think Dopakatanga Kanga. The people feel different types of way. Size.
Plus, you only go start free from a point here producer.
Yeah, then jeans. Then jeans. That's how you have a beating as you and good Zaringo player.
Good hero. The paper.
No banana Girandina artist, one of the recent artists, Tantina Bebe. True one number, I can't go in back. Manason's what he song 18. You're not TV saying.
Oh, the folks go.
Down.
I did that, but it's not everywhere. TEDx. Zeru don't have it. Pani demo rangaratanga. Nakam play a song usually play a song and ningi. Faster. Akaenda ku YouTube anza wakaipa mix.
Ubona ji isatiro imbwe kawiga mpini kana kurwa mpini akawiga imtakawiga imbwe. I think ndo same song yokutorewo.
Inana KST didon.
I think ndiyo yokaita ndike bosi muna akakudaro ndi ndike SG. I think ndiyo yokangoinzwa kuti
yakezi yakazoya later on. Yanga to papa to duplicate wake 4. No, serious. The first song what I ndakuvurika. The first song shoot. The first song pakabiwa progression was a song of Freeman and David. You know that and good baby. If you listen to the guitar, the progression, patanga song. Oterera re, zeru dandang time. Otera yakutaura yoyo. Nyake is G. Same thing. But if you're not a producer, I don't know what jam about you.
I'm a producer.
I'm a better.
Then my Baksamanyanga Sounds. You are now writing solo.
Yeah.
Timons were from you. How was the journey?
Really marvelous.
Jane.
Marvelous. Ndakafunga kuti ndichibva ndichanodzokera mukombe handina mukoma wangu.
Naona mamu vita
white Mota takagara tega takuya, you understand? So that's what I'm saying, pesa bantu people they just want to look for the bad stuff. Pa unodo another, that's when they want to talk. But no pisa.
Right, but Maria makatenga nayo vida yandika. Imari amakazotendeza negere kana kuti Maria amakabva nayo kumasamanyanga sound.
Cash.
Mari kwa inoba kuna basa.
Cash, my money. Koma wanga ndikunyebere.
Bozi pana zvinhu zvekuti vanobva nemaruka ozotanga kuti
ngoma wangu andikunyevere. I'll tell you this here pana. Even you that evening muri pano. Tese pana batiri pa social media. Boys ndikada kubudzana zvinhu zvacho takaita live takatengerwa nanani. Anganda botswana nekunyara boys. Yeah, you understand? That's what pano boys yeah. Sa microphone takatengerwa naningi. Sound card.
What is that?
So that's the thing. I think vanhu ngavasadotsvaga zvimasosi zvavanhu zvavanoita kuti kana mwakaromba kwake zvaita mwakanamata kana mune mota itai muita tinazvo
tikuita kuti ndinazvo tingoita kuti tofanira kuziva kuti zvikubva kupi kuti haifaniri kutenge mari yapashoni
amaya yapashoni achemuudza tibvope
ndovani kuti mari haifanira kubva itenge yapashoni kuti haizikanwe kunzi kuyedzobva papi cheche zvinongonikwa yamari toida kunonga inspiration.
And I think aitombo nyaya yekuti vanhu vadaziva kuti zvinhu zvikubva kupi. Let me tell you, man explain Zimbabweans. I don't think it's really about kuti vanhu vadaziva zvinhu zvabva kupi. It's just about envy and jealousy yevanhu. It's just about that. Ndiani asingadi Range Rover, ndiani asingadi VW Golf 7, Diana asingari makes new shape. The thing is, people are just bitter. You understand? So they know one life every to upgrade. Jamasta and Benzi, Japanese and informatic. People are not worried about that. They're just trying to throw to just make you feel like you did achieve something. Guys, there was a point in time where artists I pay some Zimbabwe. I drive a Honda Fit. Boys, you understood this? No, go on going to the Honda Fit.
Yeah, what I'm talking about starlet.
Old shape. Boys, think I imbe Honda Fit here, old shape panza. But there was a time where my toy imba. You understand? So we need to
even
so we need to be grateful for that. Could now media ya never know who can sponsor people with boys. More than 100,000 boys. Can I 50,000? We need to be grateful. Because ngasale ukuthi hayi mona mara kupiwa. Na Nigeria wazo who told you kuti pamwe Nigeria kwacho avasikupiwa.
Nigeria vanotopiwa. Bozi ndakatona chimpinga kawo cha ku Nigeria chitori kofuti.
Ndiana ndokwa chakatozara.
Unaona na
chakatozara.
Na tuba haba.
No, inzoeka boys. Ndi kuti nini
people just
kana wapiwa ngati ngozetu wapiwa. Andi kana washanda tongozoto washanda.
Ngasala dombo zva kaife mara yotizi. Muno zaito chika mara yotizi kupfura YouTube yekujoza ye hip hop.
That's true.
SA hip hop numbers as compared to Zim hip hop numbers YouTube. Zim hip hop trap. SA amapiano ndinoroma numbers.
Correct.
Now they have been struggling. You see hip hop artists trying to venture into amapiano. They was notice. But you still see them flexing them agrees diamond or zvikubva zviri ikomdara. People kune madonors, kune endorsement deals Mota kune ndokona ngozaya mwana impala ndopiwa Benz. And people are all over internet trying to source kuti yava kupi. It's my source. Why do I have to disclose every paperwork yangu ya receipt per internet?
Why does you
have
to disclose?
Ndatotenga iPhone 16 yangu yo Pro Max.
Why?
Ndinayo. So Zimbabweans, you are just jealous. I don't want to talk about politics, affiliations and whatever. My artists push even my political parties. We're not too long I'm on internet. The moment political parties are everyone now is bitter on the internet. You are not POS. But those are the same artists.
But you na wole mukona mchipiwa here.
Kokanataka piwa.
No, I'm sad.
Kokanataka piwa.
Wapitena asata piwa. Aida to piwa. Angari pa list na December.
That's what I'm saying. How do you know? Because zaposto. Zakamzwaro.
Yeah, manu kudze makes. Isu tunoshanisa information in public. Ati kwanza kushanisa information in public.
Don't start to disclose that. Public any.
You know what makes?
Vanone masina vasko affect why.
Inzo makes. Ukona purpose zvima interview kuti mbotara newe usiri ku studio. Pasina
kuti ndauziya.
Tenda kuziya. Ndikona tidzo tibvunze kuti imimi wana masupportera wa makaita musangano. Ndafana masupportera makaita musangano iona Holy 10. Andizi hangu kuti makasupporta out of kunakirwa nemusangano here. Kana kuti makasupporta just because
that was a personal choice.
All right.
It was never derived from someone. Right? That was a personal choice. It's my right. But the thing kuti how sure are you at sata piwa? Kokana tisu takatotanga kupiwa musingazondopata piwa.
Niye kuti wari kupiwa.
Ndoba vazotanga kupiwa vamwe ba.
Niye kuti vari kupiwa wacho ndika.
Andisu pa Facebook. Andisu pataka zviita tisati pasati papiwa mazidi nechichi. Tisu takatiri pa frontline chidedzera masina nditi. Ndokutaura kuti vacho vaitya kunobuda pa frontline. What do you think kuti vakapiwa vanotadza kuzonofarisa publicly? Ivo vanhu havasikuziva masina okamawana sei kuti waivazopiwa. Wangomawana. Ende hapana nokutuka kuti saka wakazomai ufuka kuti ungatadze kuposta. Because people want their credit.
Inzoeka one meg. Mvunzo wedu ndewekuti imimi andika. Pana vanhu vaipiwa mota dzemusangano andika vakunzi vakasupporta comrade kuti wapinde pachigaro andika. Imimi hamuripo maisupporta loudly andika. Mune zvamakawana here semota. Kana kuti hamusati mawana kana kuti muchazowana kuzvikwana maybe mugona kuzowana but kubva kumashure mune zvamakati mawanawo here kana kaakwawo kana kachii from say week no because maybe
uyakangwarisa ndakudera. The thing is what you're trying to do right now is you're just trying to make me disclose source yezvinhu. That's why I'm saying I would never do that. Kana pane vakadisclose source ndivavo nesource yavo vakapostana. Inga ndakapiwa kana ndisina handina.
Ausikuzotanga ndakapiwe.
Musi wandichaposta ndapiwa. Ndo musi wandichachuza ndada kuti uyaziyo ndapiwa.
Kana kuti hauna.
Kana ndisina handina futi asida kuti uziyo kuti handina. It's my choice.
Yeah, pakashata.
Exactly. Exactly.
I need that booba. But in angu personal, I wish kuti mupiwe. Even this guy appeal. This guy.
And I don't deserve it, but it's ango nyasha.
But I was here now. But I was about to come to Don't understand. Even no matter how people question it on the internet, Messi, Muruda.
You make it.
That's why people are so bitter. Creating to my list. You can't be all about
as good things come to those who wait. You can also not be a mega. And it kurunzu chapiwa. And skuti entitlement. Banduti kurunzu chapiwa. And the mitape uti ambirwe ku makase wa ningasina rufu chichi. Imi munoenda apo bazira apo ba mwari
vakatendera tonotora masini maba.
But pindura.
Mwari vakatendera tonotora, but also you understand the thing. Internet people are asking questions and they are making notions not because they want to know. People are just trying to smoke people out there. People just want to humiliate. People just want to. People don't need to be worried about. Akuzo dandina ndiani. And andiona ndiri pataiti level kuti anakwanisa waiziya hapana.
Alright,
so I think unless chinhu chaiswa painternet never chisa, let's stop trying to gadzira tunyaya.
Poke our fingers.
Unless tanyora.
But
a lot of people have been disclosed. Hapana munhu akadairwa nyaya yegore rese zvichitanga kusvika izvezvi svika hola azoposta zvaakaposta. Manawo nyaya yacho yakaitika musi whatever because zvakapostwa. If I haven't posted anything and send a post and school out post, can I post and post? They just packs papisa and a poster.
Well, it's too. It's okay, my guy. You need to no sugar kuti
and opiwa
because what are you? And the sugar to opiwa. Boys, what are you? They're wearing a comment section in the mix. They're wearing a comment section. If I'm going to make suggestion, no one. One wiping them cheeky. Why does say? Saka.
But I also
no in my mind you train you supporter
mukuru supporter but also
but kana pachine paino vari kupiwa ndika pachinzi vakasupporta imi makasupporta maitukwa maita sei ndika I think you deserve because ngo fair I know kuti mukuru vari kudziwa
true but also
vari kudzira unzi tipe musatipe tite sei but I think muno deserve kuti muwanewo
but also all said and done zvese zvotaderana ndakungoti YouTube channel Matoniki Silver makapura 100,000 subscribers and you are big. You are big. The thing is it's your YouTube channel guys. It's your YouTube channel. And nasikura ma podcast.
Man.
Mangwana mkati mada kumbo posta kana pornography. Posta nding. Give people what you want to give them.
All right.
Don't make them give. Don't let them make you give them what they think they need. Control.
Baba, I don't do that. Immediately to mudate, no. Baba, I didn't mean to testimony.
How many people are going to decide Baba? Imagine that kind of decision. People loved you for that image. That was a brave move. And a lot of things happened. But he controlled. He wasn't controlled. The moment you let people control you on the internet, trust me, people are committing suicide out there. Artists are feeling like they failed when they haven't failed. You understand? Because we own 3 million in Memon, you own 300,000. People are living under depression, feeling like Avanasa. Guys, so severe. Appreciate what you have. Let other people appreciate what they have. It's cool like that.
Zvisiri kutofamba zvichifamba pananzwa Popten achiti anga achida kuva
imagine Popten is like and could every day but he's my friend ndaitoziva even like the shop akazoposta yake I knew that way before but I can imagine how many people akanyura hey be my 1.8 bruh you don't even know his life he's good bro so the thing is vanokupa izvo vari kuda Captain Heading just posted shop yake ayisada akazoposta vanhu kavapa nguva mudhara ndikunyeberei
ano isusu hedu
munoshaya plan mudhara
isu patachitara nyaya paipadzimusora ndika tumwe tumaideas tinoyana nayoung Gemini ndode hatitutore totusa paside because unonge asingazivi vapfana vachiri kukura kuita sei zvakafanana ndakatoshamisa kachiti ndini musikana ari kupisa ndangofungwa maybe ndiye virgin iri kupisa
mapisa ngapisa
Michael, one make.
So ngati kupisa kwakasiyana. That's the other thing. Especially hip hop chikuti kwadza. People are gunning for the wrong objectives. I think definitely kupisa kutobaizwa. Chinonzi kupisa kuita sei? Ndimundu udze.
I think kuanoti kupisa nika. Kunonzi kupisa. Auta kupisa kunonzi kupisa. Because kupisa kwana young Gemini andika.
Maya chikutaura kupisa kuita sei?
Andika kupisa ndekuti maybe kana uri artist andika everyone ari kuteerera music yako, everyone akutaura about you.
Thank you for bopedza. Mazimbabweans chinozi kupisa mukuchitora in a different way. I know to my artists takawanda tinogona kupembewa titwasirwa turi kuita mahype hande kufila bus hande kugwanda izvezvi tongobvisa makepi tomira growth point tochilla for 1 hour. Let's see toki vibes anopisa boys. Sekalas makana sekalas kwa mastage vanopisa varume veve urukunzwa. But the thing is that the internet has become a very useful self-destructive tool to demotivate people and make them feel like they are unworthy when they are. We are just in different sectors. Iyo fadza twako tuma subscriber twari kuswera one active nato pa internet muchitora maroyalty pamwe nini ndinozadza yangu show yangu muchibawa changu every weekend ikantore mari. Peter Moya akataura, trust me, akatipa answer yakanaka msono Peter Moya yanzi afana ipo baruta zabo isi bari kuzadza. That's the truth. Kwenye ku ipo uyo amjifila kuti ndokupisa pisa ende kwenye kune vamwe kana chifila ndokupisa kusungura kunonzi kupisa ma bookings nekusadza bawo ana makumbaza vanosadza base vachirirova ndokwavo kusungura kwaona usabhukwe kwapera au ndokusapisa kwedu. I think ipopu pane twakanyeperwa nzi maybe controversy nekudede ndo zvinopisa. So when they see
I think kuipopa ndika.
So when they see Suzu Madara vanozona Suzu Madara tachila wakuvila nge nah bra. If you everyone knows
kwaanoti kupisa ka andiri kuyaipwa pa Twitter
kana pa Instagram.
Pa Instagram unenge watofamba aipwa pa Twitter ka vanenge wakutoti vanopisa.
True. Internet is kubaiza. Internet, we now have got content creators.
Une Twitter account there.
You understand?
Dinayo but andipinde pande baba.
I think people just need to create.
So it's not about Twitter. It's just like
it's zero. I'm on ever talk. Class 1, class 2, marodi. I think that's the same thing even in the music. Let's not categorize everyone in the same box. Sakasiana. The way Anatemba Lamina Janet Manuel, the way they make money is different from the way Douglas Moyo makes money.
True.
Timbalami can never be played much buzz jinenda kujoza kumesina kufura Douglas Moyo. Never. Douglas Moyo, I don't know kuru watu ma numbers na Janet Manuel pa internet because vanengwana ma numbers igona UFIC ama Pentecost they can easily make 1 million views. Alternative no shi track na algorithm na ger no murera ma trends fast. Tigonzane kokugande. I think let's just put people in their categories.
Japana nezvezvi ndunge youth ane new niki soundtrack rana arandiri soundtrack nyona this is imdanso ameno zvarira nditi but they also nditi sound here when I want to start
ichit code akangwara akaita baba arari parira vakanondoda mari ndikada kuimba sungura panopisa pinda jit. No one ever did jit kuvura baba arari. Same na ndunge akabutsa song nasi enda pa YouTube pake ma subscriber anomudya 10,000 na 15,000 haturoveyo baba pa stage andiri kutomira naye
but ndunge yuti izvezvi zvandika
anojambisa
ndunge yuti zvavonsendera imba yake izvezvi
exactly ndara
avansendera imba yake ndika nechitupa chake nechikuya zodaridza kuti unaka
matato didzi ndapinda
zvangu matato didzi and everything
ndapinda plus also
ukona teni ndunge yuti avonsendera
true plus akona chimwe chanafarira chawataura nyaya yekuti kuti wapana paupana hapo wataura a very good word. Maturity also chinje kuti mawani it's not just also maturity yakakosha wataura chokwadi papo ndine Una komana ndana ya timu ranga ndosana vanokuudza kuti ndikakudza the people I hang out with like zvemindustry medu vandosana navo on a daily basis tichitwanya tichi unoseka. Who do you think I spend most of my time with? Just from out of the blue ungafunga ndiani? Ungafunga ndiani?
Ndakagona kuziva izvozvo lena kunovhura so nditongweta
waona vanhu havazvizivi, but the person I spend most of my time with in music is Killer T.
Alright. Hey,
Atobatiki Killer T. Vadamuchaga. He's very private, but I'm with him every day. I do that for a reason. I cannot keep trying to take ideas from people who are like me. The moment I start going on internet, Ndoda could take an idea from Bling 4 or Bugger. I'm not discrediting anything. Shut up Bling 4, shut up Bugger. But I'm trying to be me. I'm trying to create a different path. So I hang around those people who have accomplished certain things assets wise, because I need to feed family. In 10 years time I need to be in a place where people say I'm sorry. Chairman is one of the people who's done that with him. Why is he? I like hanging around those people because I never think of being broke when I'm around them. You see, the thing is you're lying to yourselves. 200,000 views, 100,000 views. Face reality as it is. We need to be here speaking the same thing 10 years later. But you feel a relevance 10 years later. You understand? So hang around the right people. Try to acquire good management. Try to use the best of decisions when doing my exam. Because I buy ziramda.
Chila almost every day na Killer T. It speaks a lot about kuti muri muna richile bonai because hey vanokubuka vakaona nda uchilike naye.
Maybe I want to cool down, want to dama. That's the thing. I think I'm just open minded. We need to
go Maria Olinda maira siri.
Maria Olinda. Nyenda kamba address and I checked and this is Olinda. I didn't even see her face when I was on stage. It's not the first time being handed money on stage. It happened several times before that. You don't know only. And all the time when it happened, you know what we did? There's a tambira. We've got our own reasons. Vanoenda kutotore mari vatamari vakuti izvo zvatanga zviri broke. So monetary wise hatina mari dzamakamona titongotiwerenga today uchila dauradza vadaubuda cloud pane vanhu taitongoti pastage mari. So even pandakaipiwa, that was how we worked. Taitora hama mari dzevanhu. I didn't even see ndolinda nangoitora. It's like Maya.
Manzwa.
Taya kunokuzosenza boss wedaru atipa mari. Imabhadhara kuti mutoone. Keep your money. Come on. Thank you guys. Enjoy.
Mune principle plus
I'm actually grateful I did that. Even as a person on Facebook, I just say I didn't reply. See my music or Linda. I didn't feel the need to reply her. I never know. I gave an it's not controversy. To my marriage. Now, I'm not into that. I'm an artist. I'm a musician. You understand? Maria and I would be here giving explanations. I can't be out here explaining myself to
Olinda from promoter.
I can't be out here explaining myself to Olinda Chapel. I can't.
All right.
Ndakana diri wandandaka mufundira naye tikataura diri. Andina need yacho.
And I wouldn't need to do the design.
Iwe. Didi.
What in the city man? What we want to do?
Yeah, I'm going to pana Olinda baba. Nchiti saka amuna kuzombotauro even baipapo kusvika izvi
life mangu. I've never said hi to Olinda. We've never spoken. I've never opened a live. I don't even follow her.
Asipoka nomkana kuti maybe mumbolinga munokwanisa kulinga anything akanangotauro
buka ndobvuma izvezvi ndotobvuma booking. That's my job. But kuti ulinga richiteka. I'm an artist. I need to be in studio, not
linking.
Not in my east. I need to be in studio. Come on. handina reason yacho handa reason yacho then achitaura mahip-hop artist yekuti muri kubatika kuti madhiriti suri tuenyi let's do
yes
nemunorova mangoma
ana frets anekodza ana frets anenge akazara namama vhina atiperi like ndotumasiye kuti wavo ndokwawo ikoko ona kuti wabatika ikoko kuti yako ameno akutsvake
ona siku akubatika mutima rounds twanana
ngavatibatsire marketing zvakanaka kwavo tichivadai so vachidaidai but akuite zvekubva
Zvokucola down.
no zvarambwa
kwedu kumadhirikisa kuma
samamarawa maprojects manje masolo
yeah
yes
yeah
maproject aya akanyatsoperform here zvamaida
splendid atadya mari nemaroyalty
yes
aiwa splendid work man ndo manumbers ari kunamatirwa geto nemaupcoming napana mana saka that's great
alright
That's
izvezvi
great.
your latest project ramakaita ndakaona makafeature Solomon
yeah Solomon
that was very odd. We didn't expect that.
yeah
Vamwe pavari kutraya kufeature pache zvavo like why are you going out of the box and taking masungura artist or
I don't I'll say this now. I think izvozvo ndakadzidza from Holly.
Alright.
Shout out Holly for that. Holly ambofaka kupa feature yo because uri Chris Brown. Nofunga makazvona. Pakatoita glitch pa even feature amakadzi. Pakatika several times he's like that. He doesn't put someone in a song because ndaudzonzi afana ndiye anonanganisa patizo EP said. That's just with me. I don't record in big studios. Like I record in bedroom. I'm a producer and because like a bit young so the thing it really comes from within and feel able. Pandofunga feature and funge feature because I go better Maya. I really give someone a feature because up.
But I'm feature ndakatone kuti
like the one you're saying
ndakaisa picture nano na Jabreza unobona kuti pakutoda collab
man come on Maya that's why I want to even ya pop 10 and ndunge tichiti kwa uyu that's how we just work. I don't give someone a feature because akupisa kana pisa kanti akamira ndokukupa because I feel that apa this is your spot and ask whoever ndakaita ne feature they tell you makes you always bring the most comfortable project. Chairman vunza vane makatalog kuti unongoimbere na kila ti. It's not that simple. I played good plan.
What did you?
Hanjamuza. Wana ndakangono play a song Mota one time. Not twice. Hip hop. Oh no. It's same day recording Taropedza. Same with Sulu. I call. I speak professionally. Come on. So. You understand? Then I don't need them manage. I don't want to buy Zach Tower. Just need yourself because you're an artist. You understand the language better. Come on. So. And it didn't even work out that hard. Apana unga maro farani mangwana chintasanga na mkoma tenda studio to pera mpavesa. I think music needs to be like that. It's at the end of one. I think it really needs to be a good song.
Now we want to talk about music, not your music as such. Kana kuti history ya make it. You are a producer.
Yeah, man.
You are also a musician.
Yeah.
Saka you can also be a music coach.
Yeah,
man.
Ndezvipi zvinhu zvauri kuona zvoda kugadziriswa kuproduction muZimbabwe?
Production. Chekutanga chida kugadzirwa. I think it's removing a spirit emulation. I'm a producer, like I've told you. I've recorded more than 200 vana vekuti chingopinda mustudio achimba ndotangana tomtsura kuti vana first take uri kusanda wange ningi imba unge wewe. I think that's the first thing I would say. Music is a gift which comes from emotions and experiences. It needs to come from within you, not from experience yauri kunzwa imwe munhu ane emotions ake. It really needs to come from you. Ndozana pa ndakudza kuti pane vapana twakatopesa twakufungwa ndatudhisa ndatudza kuti you're sounding like Flora uyu. Ndochikutanga choda correctwa. 2 I'll say this to the goats. Hachiti magoats. Amunomaziya ma big chakuta chanonza.
Wingy D,
Vana vakoma vedu vakashitanga kudhara.
Your favorite
And
killer
I'll say
T?
this, I'll say this from a killer T approach. Kanye West, if you check some of his interviews, I don't like hanging around these artists. I'm not comparing nazo. I like hanging around Wafana and just because I learn new things. I understand the Mudimadzikoma Edu and Pampacha just told them a feature. We just want to feel like we are going somewhere. Like what I told you, the thing is, from that, as a big artist, I establish, guys, music is evolving on a daily basis. Nasi ukutemba zvako mangwana madedido atona pisa ne language yamsingaziye. That's music. Any day. Kunonobuda chimwe chitorira. So the thing is, we really maya and down but I'm a madedido fan or whatever. Nakutaura zvakaitika. What we need, Magotsedu.
We are not madedido fans.
I'm not even a fan of the sound too, but I'm not going to point out. Madzikoma Edu, if there is space, we'll link on our phone and just learn a few things. Why is here? Diamond Platinum is there in Tanzania. Arku Pisa. Angolinga is upon us like we piano in English. You understand? But link wangu. Ono adira pana producer kwa kakurekoda album last year but 7. Uchiti pamwe yitiricha buda roregera.
Ngona na team and Mount Zion.
Exactly. You understand? We just need to we just need to be comfortable. Vachipinda mu new space ati kuti zvirerutseka muone kwa muri pa Denpa Megs Maya. Apana ungisound I've never and so no did you whatever. I've never met a big artist who is as humble as Killer T. I made a song with Killer T. He was very eager and very happy to hear Zinyoan. You understand? Kwanes makwaya zvidu zvimayunizoni zvako izvi ukumuridzira haasi ajaira kudhara vaingobheka ari maparts but ari kunakira ndara ari kuudza producer kuti ndopana ari kuzviita vasiye. We need that. We need that. Tine mabatist wangu kuNigeria kanzi biggest artist pananzi Wizkid tonyora manetwork apa. Totochika kutaura paindaneti kuti wedu network 10 million techitari pami 1 million apinde. We can't be like that. Our biggest artists they need to be competing like that. Vachiposta zvimodels maybe zvekupisa vachinzi vatenga vega kuti kupiwa kuribo but pamwe pacho patatohadhira. But we can never do that if we are that harsh. Tichingofunga kuti every day it's competition. It's not about competition. It's about new experience and gaining new ideas every day.
Ini zvandofunga maartist maomba ndega maartist maomba anofunga kuti amene kumwe kumberi koda kuenda saka ukalinga nawafana ndega ukalinga nawafana
chavanofunga vanofunga kuti mari ichapera. Vanofunga kuti panapa ndikabutswa mucomfort zone yangu amaiwe ini ndosimbiswa nevanhu kuzi ndikunzi uyu akanyarara adairi zvinhu izvi ndikango break out of character ndapera. Uyu ari kuzvidza kuti inini you understand? Hazvina kushata.
You
understand? Who said kuti anzi a big artist doesn't deserve to be on TikTok? Achitoya ari kuita vachitwa madance. Chairman did that. What happened? 6.9 million views kana ndanyura. One single video. Akapfeka chijuzi chawapana chima vintage achi. Akangobvuma ngodzwa na XG director chimbo adira ngoma 6.9 million views.
Boza wada munomuzwa pa maartist mama anofunga na mina kumberi kuchaendu.
Anongachona ngenda pera.
Amino kuzasi kuri ameno zvanovuga.
Guys, you're musicians. You're not trendsetters. After I ended taura yechitu about music. We are musicians, we are trendsetters. Stop being worried about creating new songs. Just worry about making music. Doctor basa rake kurapa. Optician maziso. Musician basa rake kugadzira music. Just create music and release.
And it's not every song you need to be.
Akudza you need to be on number 5 trending every week. Ndiani ku? You see how much people pressure ndana chipo azo.
Boss kunema musician
ndakachila pa internet ndakakula mazwana. You even ended up asking that question. Why are you on hype wakade? Why? I'm making music every day and releasing. I'm chilled. I'm a musician. I'm not a trendsetter. I don't want to be on number 1 trending for music. In double boots aso nonakidza. Ndopfura mu road marena chiti tainzwa. ndoita motivation yangu ndabo ndinogadzira iyo
ya munomoterwa matrends ndo problem net
mablogger nemi mablogger nemi ndimauraya vanhu musadaro base kangwadzano chokwadi
no isu hatina kuuraya munhu watakauraya chete ndi aiwa ndisungirwe meta it's necessary kuti iwe seaproducer tingonzwa Michael made it pabit regarega Michael
I'll tell you this.
Tichiri muira yacho.
Okanzwa nana akawandisa. I'm a beat and day. Have you ever seen me making a beat?
And
never. Have you ever seen Wamon's what take Kanye West? Kanye West music. He's been producing music for decades. I think it's a choice. In the 50% artist career, 50% producer career. I'm just trying to balance the two. Success. I don't want to feel like I'm trying too hard, trying to come out too hard. I think the beat is just enough. Produced by Michael Mix. I'm feel ngenda pera pa kuimba pa uchaona take grip on kunyepera. Ndo aucharinzwa musocha nzote gidoro ndo pochata chipapa chakurwa production. Chasiya kuimba.
Kana kuri ngapinde chiti chi. Robin Michael Megi, sama Michael Megi, Michael Max.
That was Jumbo.
Ndrubaona and then pane kamwe ka mitro kamurita music kuti munopinda muri 25 per song.
Not me.
Alright, unengoro chiti
ndinozongopinzwawo chamwari ndisingaziyi.
And gasikira kanonboa.
The thing is
no boy
I don't want to burn my bridges and all that. And ndinamunondoyeita bo kuna vamwe vari kuzviita zvekushanda and we are not bitter or anything. Ndosanda kuti internet in as much as totosenza ipapo ndine kakusati ifarira kandida. It has become a place irikuti vama evil doings vana kutaimira.
Right.
Yeah, you understand. Kutona nditona artists recently and nditana zita we R&B akatondipa hip hop song ndikaisa verse. I was so mad. Ndine munhu ataura trash about me on internet. Takasvika studio kumwewa chitoro vhesi rake ripapo. Same song. Andipinza genuinely panangu ananga bokadede. Ndaisa verse. Ndamutumira. The next thing patone kaishwa kunetsa pa internet nemunhu arikusasa zvaanoda. Munhu mangwana ndikusvika patorero vhesi rake pa same song. So pane kamwe kakunyangirana kuti even ma-artists arizoshama masong acho abuda pamwe pacho achi. Yeah, it's good. It's good. For the people vanongwana ownership yemasini, it's good. But for us as artists, I will be very honest kwamuri vari kuzviita izvozvo. Most artists aren't happy. They end up getting compared. They end up like they say no that. Zviriko. But kana kachisenza kazheti kacho kuna
kazheti akasikutwa nawana tisingaziye. Kazheti kekuisa masasong yoswa mavhesi akawanda
zvokuti artist
25 anziva kuzoti 25 but handikuziva nje kuti semceleb ndoyekudaro ikutora maremix yobvaisa vanhu mavhesi.
That's what I was saying. Kuti internet, we don't want to burn bridges. Semceleb, those are my brothers, those are my friends. Sandati kana panguva yacho zvichisenza, it's cool, it's benefiting them. But the thing is, at the end of the day, basa donated as a business, it's mutual transactions. Kana iona so ganiswa pa song yako 7. Bo, zvaitika. Do I win on us? But mangwana, when I also need you to do something for me and you do it, I don't think bo.
But no bad example is something
like that. You understand?
Kupisa sewa mbebe. Pamba sina need a free man. Pamba sina need a sniper. Pamba sina need a baga. Paifana ngo sara silent killer na kaofini mangena.
Why kudaro?
Ndo panoshanda concept unonzi less is more. You get it?
Asa ngokatadzero. Wakata se.
Bango sina chemistry.
Yeah.
Ukona unatuta leo kuti ndikatura picture na magi. Saka mira takade. Sonzi. Bazo na collabo. Should we do a collab on a Jabreza because you are demanding a collab? Or there should be a collab?
Ona chizo chimukomongo. Hakuna chinhu chikuti wane munhu chinodiwa 100%. Itoti mapodcast pana vasingata kufarei boy.
But
so you have to understand it.
But basa nemi.
Exactly. Same now. vanhu vaitongoti havana mabasa nemi so ndati as long as mutually zvikuitira vanhu zvazviri kuitira it's cool. Let people just do what they do. Kana pana abhaizirwa pamwe musi
achakomplain hangoti sefanira rako kana wazorelease a song please usazoita remix on 25 kana uchi remix aka is so true
ina hangu I think ndikuona ini ndofungidza kuti zvikuitwa zvazvendeka hazvina kumboshata zvokuti Tough G's anobata maartist oti ngatimbogadzira remix ngatimbodeyo but maybe chandingatokurudzire munhu anenge aisa chorus inenge yapisa ngachipiwo verse kuitira pakuperforma
but pane point yangu also ndosandatana ndikati pazvinhu zvese painternet people are just so good at looking at the negative side. We also have to realize that masong aripinda nakawanda ndo masong abuditsa new artists kutowana mari and making money off of music right now. So in as much as tokononorwa ne perspective yekuti we've got artists who have now emerged and starting to make a living out of good example Chewmaster. Jesse akatanga ina Tigonza nditanga but look it's now song yakatofra 1 million views akaita makanaka now he's an artist everyone is talking
you know manje masong
zvinogona sazonobhadharira vanhu vese kana pa 20 pana muda wa
Chewmaster zvakambatsira
masong ari kutodai manje mamwe acho ari kutopedza artist anenge atopisa ka because ari kupedzira azo cloud zvafana nesong pana vekucheka kuti vapera
but ukona chi ipapo manje
emoji
but ukona nini
ngoma cloud waka zvoda chitombozati akainyora ndianika
no akazonozviperero ega nyangude angasada yangonoperero ega.
Thank you chandotaura mukoma wangu nhasi iwe ukona nini kana ndichigona music mangwana mukandisa pasong inana liweni nanana kana ndichigona ndogona next season rapper from South Africa isamuise pasong states anogona vanhu ngavasatsvage mareasons vanhu ngavasatsvage mareasons ekunzi yapedza kuzi akapinda kana uchigona nogona
but ini chandozofungidzira
unoda ufilire kumwe ndakazozwa pasong nanhingi akagarwa kana uchigona
ini ndozongota iwo afana mfana akaimba gore richitanga ndika mfana ane chorus inonakisa
anotogona
but aifana kuzongopiwawo kavhesi kuitira pakuperforma paipai because ukona chiki ufind kuti kana pop tena kuimba gore richitanga chorus ndika munhu sanoimba obva ati vhesi rake
vanonyara
obata message manje iye akaenda no performa Mr. Attention ndika anongozvikongoti gore richitanga ndopera
ndo pana ichitira nditi as an artist now ndo pana zosenza
munhu ngapiwo kavhesi
as an artist ndo pana zosenza kunonzi kunanganisa nogona kwako Chewmaster aita vanhu zvikatosenza abuda panoona kwawanda akatoraike kazanoita unokotagoya
at least Chewmaster ane vhesi
unokoti mai ane vhesi but uona akazoita ake maprojects
akanofamba
independently ndozvandikutaura kuti kana uchingogona unogona ukangonanganisa independently zvokutonangana kana uchinatoziva kuti zvakanangana
and I like kako
zvikaramba uchitraya
I like kako identify naka muri kuita ana Chewmaster Pop Ten KSG Didoni ndo yatonyusku kai
it's a good thing it's really a good thing nyusku Pop Ten nyusku
aiwa Pop Ten arudzokoroza kanyusku but also munyusku wacho hatidi kuzopenda futi pakashata nge pakanaka unyusku wacho vafana namanyusku vari kupenda guys don't usafile unge ka 10 minutes of praise kawawana watorema kupfuura Freeman watorema kupfuura Michael Maggie we had the whole country talking about us 12 good months last year yese usafile unge maybe nasi ndakupaka feature ndasvikopa ndasvika tikasangana we are now at the same level. I'm just doing that out of humility. Kona Freeman ari pasong yoyo it's really humility. He's being humble. Keep respecting people. Zenyu ndikuzo didi makuda kona nge muri pa same level guys. Takodza tika kupesa kosiyana. Let's just respect each other and stay humble.
And chimwe futhi ipapa ndika makes chandakaona nini. Vanhu ndika varikona kuti ano iwewe bezipozwe kupisa nguwa yacho andikakona kuti no wakapenga iwewe kutodarika kana Freeman ndika
but ikone iyo ndio ya language pa internet wafoka nzonogona unonzonogona vachishanswa mwe iwe ndo zvinonakidza kupfuura zvaningi
it's bad zvinouraya industry
zvinouraya but ona zvatogadzirwa. That's what I was saying recently. Zvatogadzirwa guys bloggers ukona ma-bloggers we cannot hate them but zvakatogadzirwa zvatoko as an artist is now iwewe as a brand. You need to control. You need to control. You don't have to be controlled. It's now you, up to you as an artist. Kuti haizvo katara zvinde movie. Zvochona mwa wakadisquact unodai mwaka anyarara mwa.
Ndofungiza kuti ona.
Azvo ndo zvako.
Ndo zvako ndika but one artist ndika. Make so bad make so.
Ndakachila kuma mndara nongana pa Zimzelebs watotegwa. vantu vakurira zvana max it's there everywhere wanga ndibokubaizi
ndizvo zvozvo but ndikuti nini semaartisti ari kunzwara wakona zvanyanya akatara no guys ana meg wane roya wakaplaya muchinhu kuti chifambe chisvike pachiri izvozvizvi ngatipei respect kuna meg andika mafans anotanga kukula down ndakazviona zvaitika
but uonaje muno muzimbabwe imwe nyaya inozoitika muno mune nzara manje uona kujoza zviti zvinoitika izvo I've seen my podcast ekujoza munhu achitobvunzwa baba itoti you see mumwe munhu ari great achisimbisa mumwe munhu zvekuramba chitomboite anokuona munhu ya the thing is I think Zimbabwe I think una spotlight tinenge spotlight parongonidwa tumweito mabulb tumwe paspotlight paronidwa tumweito malights hobo spotlight tapiwa diki zvilevo rekuti every artist parongowana mukana haasi worried about giving credit to the other person next year they just wanna eat off ari one akasimbiswa ndindega ndongo waiziye you understand
wisdom will kill you
understand yeah I've seen wakamona even on TikTok wakamona even on TikTok anasikuda kushora I know mata hamsi fan yake the Enzo aisha Monday did so yakanoriira akapatika kakapisa but before that I was just checking my comments. Do you know how many people tried to fumble that kid just to give Enzo the credit for the song before katozoriira katozo mabebi ndo akatozokapusha chiro akapatika kakachidi but do you know my conversation how many people ichibuda yekutuyangona pakanzi Enzo I think those are singori you are part of those people so ukona ndo zviri I think ingwe nyangoti ati ma-artists msapinde nemoyo chingopinda mstudio
alright as a producer pa my live show ma-artists nomagadzirirochi
ma live show zvakutembana zvakuenderana artist kune ma-artist asingatozotaka rekodha song kupi uchipedzawo song upi wakamabig tricks ako ozonosota zvepastage kuna unongorekodha votobuda inspiration inosiyana but kumbaro kune ma-artist asingatozoti song ndakarekodha kupi ndakarekodha rini you understand kuti vamwe serious about their craft vanokolike isusu to collect every stem file zviriko saka anosiyana
then pamashow muri kuzonyanya kuti rovesa musiri kuimba
sanambodare zanambosumudza maoko
neusingadaro
isingori mood yangu yakachila
yeah I think wanaudaro anzodaro stereki vanhu vedhanzo ana dadza D ana Master H ana Secalas saka mukutora nemu kuti wamiri
panopinda nanchikudzai ichiti ndichiti uniqueness yemacategory kusiyana kwawo kudhanzo the credit hauipirwe painternet haupiwe netrend rekuzimcelebs unowandotrenda kuzimcelebs trust me there was a recent video ndakaseka madedido vari kukapclash uko pavanomika vamiswa mazitende vachirwa mafreestyle anakana kuoneka baba anakana kuoneka waizi anakana kuoneka so that's the thing about kumahype kune asiyana kudhanso uku nzunzu kurema it's kuma live show nezvematrend zvavo zvepamachannel akawanda asingaperi ana drift whatever kuhip-hop hatimborwadziwe kuhip-hop chikutiririsa izvezvi is the number of bloggers who post you but you understand
chandofanira kuhip-hop manje munopanana macredits kana kwari wakafotoshoot nemumwe munhu unotaura kuti ano photoshoot ndaitwa nani
maya topanana cause we know that level of professionalism kuzimdanso havatoziye even yangari one of the most yangari the most streamed song in Zimbabwe yangari yatoki but he wasn't even aware of the YouTube channel. That's the no professionalism and ndichiti people just need to dig deep into it. Start down what ndaramboita serious. Kuzim danso havasitoziya. Nezuro akarohwa video yakakari pa studio but hasuziya phone yakamshuta ndiyani. Aposta wacho ndiyani. They're just doing things. Basingazozvikenda.
Kova kwati iwo futhi beside mamero.
Kova kwaita ku hip hop manje ukuthi zichitwa ipapo zvichipera munhu esada ndezvangu.
Ape macredit.
You understand?
Kuhip-hop kuneve kuti artist anangobigwa iye.
Kuhip-hop kuneve kuti nhasi song yatopera vanotanganidza nayo kuenda pangu pa YouTube unonyepa kweta kudhanso kune vasina basa nazvo. It's just the difference.
But icho ndibowa nje kuti kuzimdanzo ndika nawo kuzimdanzo akusisina vanhu vaya vaibopusha music yake yaboza avapiwe macredits. Unongoti kutambura uriko apa ndiwo maybe wakatesa song yacho yakaita dinakidza but aumbobigwewo kana ngotaurwa kunzi anochi baba chacha ndo chakagadzira beat unongosvika watama producers
kusapana na credit